So we will discuss the structure of heart. Firstly, heart is somewhat like this. We will continue it as here. And here. So this is the main structure, outer structure of heart. We will discuss the veins and all. This is superior vena cava. This is superior vena cava, which collects blood from upper part of the body, which means that the parts which are above heart, it collects deoxygenated blood from upper part of body. And similarly, inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava collects blood from lower part of body, deoxygenated blood. We have discussed here. This is right auricle or right atrium. This is right ventricle. This is left auricle or left atrium. This is left ventricle. This is left pulmonary vein. These are pulmonary arteries. This is innominate. This is left common carotid artery. That is left subclavian artery. Here somewhat is like this, a vein. This is known as coronary artery. And here are some cushion-like structure. And here is somewhat another vein, that is known as coronary sinus. We are mostly, that is aorta. That is arc of aorta. This is arc of pulmonary. That is arc of pulmonary vein. Here is this is left pulmonary artery. These are pulmonary arteries. This is left pulmonary vein. These are right pulmonary vein. So we will discuss firstly about the function. We have discussed about superior and inferior vena cava. Right atrium. All the deoxygenated blood from body is collected at right auricle. Coronary sinus, or somewhat here is present Eustachius valve. Here is no valve. No valve is present in case of superior vena cava, but a valve known as Eustachius valve is present between inferior vena cava. Right pulmonary vein. So what is the function of vein? Vein carries deoxygenated blood and artery carries oxygenated blood, but in the case of pulmonary it is different. So pulmonary artery will carry deoxygenated blood towards the heart from body parts, and pulmonary vein will carry oxygenated blood from heart to other parts of body. Right, as Eustachius valve, Eustachius valve is a valve which is present in the ending of inferior vena cava. Coronary sinus separates right auricle from left ventricle. Coronary artery supplies blood to the muscles of heart. Innominate takes deoxygenated blood from arms and neck. Left common carotid artery brings blood from heart, from head and neck and nearby head means this place. And left subclavian artery brings blood from left arm, pulmonary artery, left ventricle. So we have